Hello, I'm Jerry Ford. Going to do a revisit of this Michelina's Stroganoff. It was 5 years ago I did this, so I thought, my wife got it for me 5 years ago. I got a few thousand subscribers since I've done that one, so I thought I'd do this one. Made with 100% beef. Stroganoff sauce with beef patty, crumbles, and pasta. These ones that are on the bottom, and if I'm going to read the nutritional facts, I'm going to have to dump this out. So I'm going to dump this out over here. Okay, mix it together here a little bit. Okay, let's kind of scan through this. Calories are 290. Total fat 12 grams, saturated fat 5 grams, cholesterol 20 milligrams, sodium 720 milligrams. Total carbs is 33 grams, dietary fiber 3 grams. Total sugars 2 grams, includes 1 gram added sugars. Protein is 10 grams. Iron is 2 milligrams. Calcium is 61 milligrams. Potassium is 285 milligrams. All right. Here's what we got. After I've stirred it together. Smells good, Stroganoff-like. Yeah, it smells really good. Has kind of a mushroomy kind of a smell. And I think I remember, oh, that looks like a mushroom right there. This may not have been the one that I read that. Okay, mushroom. Mushroom extractive. It must say mushrooms. Yeah, okay, there it says mushrooms also, so not just extractives. All right, yeah, it smells really good. Just gonna put a little Parmesan on it, but I can, kind of eat some of it, because some of you may not put Parmesan on your Stroganoff, so you'd rather hear it reviewed without it on there at first. Yeah, the mushroom and the beef and the pasta, which that may be all it's made up of, for the most part, is the dominant aromas. You do get a little bit of the, oh goodness, the garlic and onion in there. There's lots of little beef chunks. Mm-hmm. Very good. And there's a little mushroom right there. Yeah, this is a good little meal. I have a rating of 5 for me. I got a couple packs of saladitas left. Thought I'd use them to kind of scoop it up. Put my Parmesan on there. We've been getting a lot of rain today. All right. I don't know if I've ever done this with crackers before. Mm-hmm. That's really good. Okay. This is what we reviewed. It's a good little meal. It's rated 5 for me. Pretty filling. Good stuff. All right, thanks for watching. Appreciate it. And we'll see you all in the next one. Bye.